easy to disassemble. And then, for example, here the PCO2 electrode, you just unscrew the cap, and then you can access the actual electrode. So this is the membrane shell, and the electrode is inside. I don't like to disassemble this right now because then all the liquids will come off. Yeah, but this is basically the electrode. This is just the housing.
Okay. We can change it separately, yes? Membrane and electrode?
Yes, yes. So the exchange, we have a list because it's a bit different for each of the electrodes. So often we recommend to exchange the shell or the conducting system. So basically the conducting system should only be replaced if it's not working anymore, if there are any problems. For example, with the sodium electrode, this one has a, let's say, a bit more simple setup. So here we have no membrane shell because the membrane is integrated in the housing. And there, for example, the only thing which could be deteriorated is the conducting system. And then usually when this is done, we recommend to replace the whole thing together. So usually this should last at least a year if you maintain it well. And for some of the electrodes, you can also try to refurbish or regenerate them. For example, for the gas electrodes, let's take the PO2 electrode again. So I cannot open this. Let's get me something. Let me get something from my stocks. Just a minute. Okay. Let's take, for example, this one is from current pH electrode. So here you have the glass membrane on the conducting system, and this one you can regenerate by polishing it. So we have polishing kits for the PO2 and PCO2 electrode and for our still current pH electrode, but this will be replaced in a few weeks, so this might be void soon. But for the PO2 and PCO2 electrodes, we have accessories. So this one is a polishing kit for the O2 electrode. So you just put some drops of demineralized water on it, and then you just gently, try to abrade or abbreviate. You get it. Okay. And same for the PCO2 electrode. So this just uses a different material because the nature of the glass membrane is different. So by this means, you can regenerate these parts, and they should also have an elongated lifetime by that. Yeah, and then the filling solution should be replaced every 4 weeks. That's a recommendation, and it should be I'd recommend on a daily basis, or at least weekly basis. You should check the level of the filling solutions, because if the level goes too low, then the aging of your conducting system will increase.